Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Sensor Wi-Fi camera. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to the holder. Let's take a look on the front of the camera. As you can see right here, we've got the place with this hole in the top of this part of the camera. To connect it to the holder, simply insert this part right here and then, using a little bit of force, push it forward. And it's done. Your camera is now connected to the holder. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.